Yeah. I would like to sincerely congratulate the government and the people of Turkmenistan on occasion of the State Flag Day and Constitution Day, May the 18th. For me, flags are an essential part of the identity of a nation. I've always looked with great interest to the meaning and symbolism behind flags. And here, the Turkmen flag, which I'm wearing today, represents, first of all, unity in diversity. It represents the 5 provinces, the 5 tribes, all united under one nation. Also, a very interesting element of this flag is the olive branch that you see at the bottom, that you also see in the flag of the United Nations. And this is a reflection of Turkmenistan's commitment to peace, which is so badly needed these days, and which is reflected on the many initiatives that Turkmenistan has taken over the years, culminating in this year, the International Year of Peace and Trust. And let me also congratulate the government and the people of Turkmenistan on occasion of the Constitution Day. This is the essential document that binds the country together, that forms the basis of domestic and foreign policy, that puts the human dignity at the center of the legal document and all other policies that emanate from it. And also later on the incorporation of neutrality into the constitution, which forms the basis of Turkmen foreign policy and which has for 30 years now formed the basis of its engagement with the world, which was adopted unanimously by the United Nations General Assembly, and which makes Turkmenistan a respected player, a respected mediator in the international scene, and which will culminate also this year with the big conference in 12 December, where we will further discuss these issues that form the basis of Turkmenistan. Thank you very much.